What is going on, guys? It's your boy Goofy, and today I'm bringing you guys another Dogecoin video. It has been a while, but we're finally going to talk about Dogecoin. A lot has happened since our last video. I think last time we were like around here at 35 cents. We had an up run of 34, and now we're back here at 36. So yeah, if you guys do enjoy the video, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and let's get right into the video. So firstly, let's talk about Dogecoin and where it's currently at. We've had a lot of bounce, a lot of chop. We had a lot of uprise in December 7th, and then we basically fell down from there. A week later to 26 cents. We hit 48 cents, fell down to 26. That's a big drop. We had a big drop, and then as you can see, it hit this Fibonacci sequence, fell down. We were like below the fib, but we had strong support here at 30 cents range. The 29-30 cent range, we had big support, and we really never fell back below that, only except that one time on that wick right here at 26 cents. But since then, we tried to break back above, and then we got into this Fibonacci at 40 cents. And then just 3 days ago, we actually went on a run, 43 cents. I think that was because Elon or something happened. Some type of news happened this day on the 17th. We went on a nice run, and then we fell right back down into our golden zone, our golden ratio. If you see right here, this is a very strong position for Doge at 33 cents. I actually longed here and I took some profit. I made like $1,000 from this swing right here. And then I took profit, and then now we're back in a downtrend again, just like how we were here. So important levels to look at. I think we might actually go back down and retest this 34 cent range. Let me refresh my page. I think Dogecoin will actually probably head back down and try to test this fib again. The same way we tested here, we tested here. We tested this Fibonacci a lot. And I'll show you guys really quick on how I got these fib and how I got these levels. And also I want to talk about a new tool that I've been using on Bitcoin to predict like the tops and the bottoms of some moves. It's called the pitchfork. So I'm gonna be doing that on Dogecoin. This is the Dogecoin chart. Um, and yeah, let's get right into this. Okay, let's make this full screen. Okay, so first let's talk about the Fibonacci on how I've been getting those strong levels that Dogecoin keeps bouncing in. Okay, all right. So if we grab our Fibonacci tool, and we go from, let's say, the top of the move, which was right here at 48 cents, to the bottom, you will see that Dogecoin. Oh no, that's a little bit off. Yeah, you want to make sure it's to the T. So you can see from the top to the bottom, this is our higher fib. Okay, Dogecoin in this zone, and it's a crucial zone for Dogecoin. You can see it try to break above, and we just completely fell down. We broke above. We try to test it as support, and we fell down again. And you can see here too, the minute that we kind of broke below this, we try to break above, hold, and then we were in the zone, And the minute that we fell, couldn't really hold. That's when Dogecoin just completely fell off the table. And now you can see here, try to break above this level at 39 cents. We tried twice, double top exactly to the T on this fib, and it fell down. Okay. And then here we are again. We hit this fib today. Today's the 21st. Today's actually 22nd. That was at midnight yesterday. But yeah, we hit this fib and fell down. So that is the higher fib. Okay. So now let's do it from this bottom to the top. Okay. And now we will see something like this. And we will see this lower fib, the 33-34 cents. You can see here that Dogecoin hit this, fell down, got rejected actually. Hit this, got rejected. But we actually have strong support here at the 786 fib, which is at 30 cents. This 30 cents is very, look how many times Dogecoin has touched this fib. 30 cents is very important for Dogecoin to hold. And also the 33 cents. All of these levels are like hand in hand. This is kind of like a perfect chart to swing. I've been trying to trade and swing this. But yeah, anyways. So Dogecoin actually broke above this last week, and you can see that we went on a nice run. And again, we hit this fib, which I will add right here so you guys don't get confused. Let me make this simple. Let me just add just the golden ratio. If you guys don't know about Fibonacci, Basically just tracks the price, and this yellow line right here is the golden zone. Um, so here are my settings that I have. Let me show you real quick. I'll show you my settings. I have everything in white, and then the important fib that you want to have yellow is the 0.618 and the 0.6. Okay. But anyways, let's look at just the golden. So if we drag from this bottom to this top, okay, we will see this golden zone here at 34 cents. Now you can see Dogecoin, like I said, was broke above. We went high. The minute that we broke below was kind of bearish, but we found support again at this strong zone of 30 cents. And then we went up. And then you can see perfectly to the T, Dogecoin found support here. This is where I longed last night. I made $1,000 off this swing. And then we found support, went up. And then right now we're looking back down. Hopefully we come back down here, retest, and then we go up again. That's what I'm hoping for, so we can get out of the zone. Okay, we don't want to be, Dogecoin does not want to be underneath this golden zone, because then we're just completely bearish again, and it's just not a good sign if we're below and then we're struggling, because then we'll go lower and hit the 25 cents and even lower. It's just not a good sign for Doge if we break below the fib, because then we will be going back down to the 21-cent range, which is this peak right here. And as you can see, this 21 cents is very important, because if we go back to March, we'll see right here, this 22 cents is a very strong range for Doge. But we really want to see Dogecoin hit this fib one more time, hopefully, even here at 33. And we really want to see a strong bounce. If not, I would say the last strong zone for Doge to hold is the 30-cent range, which is right here. You could even see here it found support. Like the minute that we broke 30, we bounced up. And the minute that we broke below, we had a strong wick down. And then now we found support on this level. Okay. But yeah, just talking about Doge and the fib. It's still a great buy. I'm still a believer in Doge, still holding Doge. Let's see this. Sorry. Um, I did the same exact thing twice. So now what I'm doing here is I'm going from the top to the bottom to get that higher fib. So yeah, we really want to see Dogecoin trend above. We really want to see one more bounce, go above, retest, and then head higher. Because as you can see, every single time Dogecoin tried to retest the fib, we just fell back down. Here, we retest, fell back down. Here, we couldn't even break above the fib, fell back down hard. And then here, we finally broke above, retest, couldn't, so then we tested the golden zone, and now we're testing it again. So what I'm really hoping for is Dogecoin find support, and then we go back up. All right, so yeah, that's Dogecoin. But I also want to point out something that I found out today. Shout out to Cobra on YouTube, Cobra Crypto. He uses the Porchfig tool. Sorry, the pitchfork tool. He uses the pitchfork tool, which is on this left side. And I'll show you guys how to do that. So what the pitchfork tool is, let me full screen again. I've been really loving this. It really works well in Bitcoin. But I guess yeah, let me go ahead and go to Bitcoin. I'm gonna go to Bitcoin. Oh yeah, this is Bitcoin. All right, perfect. Okay. All right, so let's go to the daily on Bitcoin, right? Let's lock in, guys. We're about to go to school real quick. I gotta refresh my page. BTC. Okay. All right. Okay. All right, so let's go to Bitcoin. And this is the daily on Bitcoin, right? So we can see that Bitcoin obviously is at 103,000. Beautiful, right? Beautiful. Okay. But let's say Bitcoin, let's say let's time travel, all right? Let's go back to 2021. And what the pitchfork tool does, you want to find a low and you want to find a high and you want to find a bottom. So like you basically like, sorry, that was a bad example, but let's say like an up and down structure, right? What you want to do is open up your pitchfork tool. You want to go here, open up your pitchfork, and you want to go from like a bottom of the move, which is right here, to the top, and then you want to go to the bottom. And usually it will give you a range, like right here, it will predict the levels, and it also has a sheriff. It has 4 different settings. So like the original is going to give you the more bullish pattern. The sheriff is going to, let me give you the exact definition. So the original is going to give you the uptrend, right? This is just an example real quick. Um, the original is going to give you that uptrend. The shift is going to give you the correction. So if there's a correction needed sideways, it's going to give you the correction. The modified shift is for sideways as well. It's just a little bit different. And then the inside is for the downtrend. So as you can see here, it would like try to predict the bottom for you. That's just for an example. All right. But now let's actually add this onto the chart and let me explain in better detail. So for example, all right, let's say Bitcoin, right? We're 2021. Let's say you want to do, let's say none of this exists right up here. Let's say you open up the tool and you go from this bottom to this top, and let's say you're currently right here, right? Oops, you're currently right there. You can open up the original and you can see that this red line and this line, it predicts the top. Like if you break over this red line, you're pretty much going to keep going higher, and it broke so high that it broke out of the channel. Okay. And what's even crazier, I'm sure that if we zoom out, look at this, it will keep going. Look at this. Look, I just want you guys to see this. This is insane. It will predict the bottom as well. Like from over here around 10,000, you can see that it was still in an uptrend. All of this was still bullish, bullish, bullish. And the minute it broke below the trend line at 39K, it went bearish. Okay, Bitcoin went bearish. And look at this. Even at 73,000, this whole trend still activated, still bullish. Bitcoin broke above 82,000, and again we had to use a different one. All right. Anyways, okay. So that's that. But what you really want to do is all right, let's go from this bottom right here, which is at 90,000. Let's go to this top, 108,000, and then to this bottom. And you can see that Bitcoin is currently in this range. It tried to break above to touch this, it couldn't, and it's going down, right? But let's try the different modes. We could try the sheriff, and you can see that it predicted the top a little bit, but then it fell down. And you can see here that Bitcoin, this is extremely close range, but Bitcoin fell down, and it might even touch 100K, potentially. Or if we change the mode, Bitcoin could easily still touch down to this 101,000. So it's just a nice tool that I've been using. Even if you switch it like this, the modified shift is breaking below this line currently. Let's go to the 5-minute chart. Yeah, it's currently about to break down. So you could see here, and it predicted the top. Let me fix the lines. They're a little bit off. Yeah, you can see here, it's either this is a great buy for Bitcoin at 103,000, or it goes lower and it drops down to 98K again. It's just pretty cool to see that it really tests this level, and then it'll retouch the panel zones. And let's look at the inside. You could see here it's getting real close to this trend. So maybe it has some room to go at 102, and then hopefully it bounces. But yeah, guys, I just wanted to point that out. I'm still experimenting with this tool, but I found it very interesting how it predicts the top of like some major moves and the bottom, and hopefully it will find support and then swing back up to 109 again, go back down. We could see 115 Bitcoin easily. All right. Anyways, that's enough yap. I hope you guys do enjoy the video. Buy Dogecoin, sell Dogecoin. Remember to take profits, and there's a lot of money to be made. Peace and love, guys. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.